Okay, I think I just figured out van building. You just take a bunch of stuff that doesn't really go together, and then you make it work so you can live in a house on wheels.
Hey, I'm Issa, and I'm learning to convert this van all by myself while traveling out of it as much as possible.
Good morning. I'm sorry for the noise. Even though it's 75 degrees out here, it's the warm air is still coming off of the concrete, so I have the AC running. Also, I'm sick again. I've got some caffeine on board and some cold medicine on board, and I've lost a couple days of van build already, so I just need to get to this. I'm recording on my phone. I had another camera and it broke, so I was using my GoPro, and now that's acting up. So we're just gonna keep trucking. Okay, so I'm gonna get on the roof to see if this, basically, if this device here will fit on my rack, which I'm really hoping. I thought you might want to see how beautiful it is today, too. It's a beautiful morning. Camera's not going to pick it up, but I can see Venus, Jupiter, Mars, and I saw Saturn earlier, and a beautiful half moon. This is one of waking up early. Okay, the way I want this to configure, I'm gonna use part of the piece that came with the kit and part of the piece that I bought extra. Oh, you stink pot. Go sit. Connect. Good boy. Good connect. Good boy. Good boy. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. So this is what I just configured. So this is the one piece that's actually going to rotate. So the antenna for the WeBoost is going to come up through here. And then the mount, this is going to mount to my roof rack. So this came with the WeBoost. This I bought separately. I had to replace the screw, so I just replaced it with stainless steel. I've got it's a number 8 screw, and then the washer that came with this kit. Then a flat washer, I think that's a 1/4 inch, and then a number 8 bolt, again stainless steel, and then that's just the back of that screw bolt, and then Loctite. And now I have an adjustable antenna mount, which is what I really wanted. So this is the part that I'm going to put on the mount I just made, and I need to loop the antenna cable for this through this. Comes with a little nubbin cap, and then it has an outlet right here. And it says not to use, there's 2 mast extensions, it says not to use both of them if you're using the spring. And I want to use the spring because I will camp in windy areas with some regularity. To untwist this. How do you get that in there? There we go. And then it says to twist this gland into this one versus the extension into it, so you can avoid twisting the cord. Oh, I need thread locker. Okay, here's what we did. This is the finagled piece, so I'll be able to easily reach it from the hatch to open and close it. And then it is bumped up against the cords. And then I have that looped into the junction box, which I already tested to make sure it's waterproof. And then I just have some of that conduit loom to protect it even more. And then here I have it resting against the frame, and it might be hard to see, but I've used some Gorilla Glue, some super adhesive Gorilla Glue here, and then against here, it's still drying, to put the mini cell there so it's not bumping up against anything. So here she is. She can move up, down as needed. So look at this winning moment here. I put all that cord from the antenna, and the end was just right there. I thought I might have to possibly take off a panel. So that was the last thing I needed on the roof officially, as far as holes going through into here. So I'm going to pull that through and finally put up this last little slat here.